Okay, so I have prepared the box type cooker for steam cooking of rice, dal, and potato. So generally you have four such containers in a standard box type solar cooker that you get, and uh, this is the inner chamber. The it's colored black, and the material is I suppose it's GI, and there is insulation provided here between the outer cover and inner chamber. And normally you, as I said, you have four such containers or vessels colored black. The lid is black so that it better absorbs the radiation, solar radiation, and the inner chamber is also black. This cooker is quite old, I think somewhere around 20 years old, but still it should it works. And you have four such containers, and you can put your food stuff for steam cooking in this. But I have replaced it with two ceramic pots, as aluminium is not considered to be very healthy option, healthy metal for cooking. So in this I have put potatoes and put a little water in it. You need a little water only. Most vegetables have water inside them, and that itself can help you steam cooking of that vegetable. And this one is having rice, and I put water in that. And actually these are not as not very good airtight containers, so I have tried and put the corn leaves on this, and so that there is better sealing of the container. So that was rice, and this has dal in it, and similarly I have tried to seal it. Okay, the other components of this cooker, this is double glass lid, which provides or which creates greenhouse effect in the chamber. And so you close it like this, and the chamber is now sealed. Okay, there is a, here you have material, kind of velvet cloth kind of material, which provides soft support and seals the chamber better. This is nothing but wooden frame and aluminium frame, and the glasses are somewhere around 1.5 inch apart. There are two glasses, one the inner one and the outer one, for creating better greenhouse effect. And this is the outer cover or upper lid, and it has a glass in it. And so you should put, now right now it's morning, somewhere around 10:15, so sun is towards east, and this direction that you see is south. So the cooker is facing south. But if you are cooking in morning hours, as you can see, the reflection from the glass, right, it's here. So if I want to if I have to adjust it for this time, I should keep it like this, so that most reflections from glass is falling on the chamber. But the sun is going to move, so I should not orient it for this point of time, but I should orient it such that even after the sun moves, this most of the time the reflection from the gas is falling on the cooking chamber. Okay, and so I'll reorient it slightly on this side. Okay. And yeah, I can change the tilt angle of the glass also. So I can tilt it more, but tilting it more is not helping actually. You can see the shadow coming, so you should keep it at the highest position. When it's peak winter, tilting this glass more may help. Okay. What I see is there is some shadow from the south side, so I think it may be better to fine the vessels are not inside shadow except bottom part of this, so I'll push them more towards on the back side, and yeah, okay, so things are ready. I'll come back after 3 hours or so. So I have come back after more than 3 hours. You can see there is a lot of vapor which has come out and has also condensed on the surface of the glass. We'll also try to measure the temperature inside it and see the glass seems to be reflecting perfectly. The sun is slightly on west side now. The cooker is actually oriented a bit towards east. I could have put it exactly facing, I should have put it exactly facing the south, it seems, but it's fine. A small adjustment, even if not done, it's not much of a problem. You can see the those corn leaves have even burnt.